Hello everyone, welcome to Russell's classroom. In this video, I solved this exponential equation. This equation is x to the power 6 plus 64 equal to 0. What is the value of x? I solved this question for x. Okay, now I can say x to the power 6, I can say easily x square power q plus, we know that 64 is equal to 4 power q equal to 0. Now we know that aq plus bq equal to a plus b square minus ab plus b square. I follow this formula in this line. Now I can say x square plus 4 x to the power 4 minus 4x square plus 4 square equal to 16 equal to 0. Now I can say x to the 4, now I can say x square plus 4 equal to 0, or x to the power 4 minus 4x square plus 16 equal to 0. Here it is x square equal to minus 4, and I can say x equal to root over minus 4, and now root over 4 I square. We know that I square equal to minus 1, so I can say easily plus minus 2i. Root over square root 4 into I square is equal to plus minus 2i. And here is x to the power 4 minus 4x square plus 16 equal to 0. We know that ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This equation x value is 2a minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. Here is x to the power 4, so I can say easily a equal to 1. If I compare this equation in this equation, so I can say easily a equal to 1 and v equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 16. Now here is x to the power 4 minus 4x square plus 16, so I can say x square equal to minus b is equal to 4, so I can say easily minus multiply minus 4 plus minus root over b square, so b is equal to minus 4 whole square minus 4ac, a equal to 1 and c equal to 16 by 2a equal to 1. Now I can say x square equal to 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2, and here is minus minus plus, so 4 plus minus root over minus 4 square, I can see easily 16 minus 4 multiply 16 is equal to 64. Now x square equal to 2, here is 4 plus minus root over 64 minus 16 is equal to minus 48. Now I can say 4 plus minus root over, now I can say root over 48 dot I square. We know that I square is equal to minus 1, here is minus, so I can say easily 4 plus minus root over 4 plus minus square root. We know that 3 multiply 16 equal to 48, and here is I square root cancel, so now I can say here is 2. Now I can say 2 and 4 plus minus square root 16 is equal to 4, here is square root 3 and I. Now I can say 4, 2 is common, so 2 is common. Now I can say 2 plus minus 2 root over 3I over 2. So 2 is cancelled. Now I can say easily 2 plus minus 2 root over 3I. And here is 2. Now I can see easily root over 3 square plus minus 1 plus minus 2 root over 3I. We know that square root is cancelled, so 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So same, I find out same equation. Now I can see easily root over 3 square plus minus 2 square root 3I plus I square. We know that I square is equal to minus 1. So there is no change. Now if you think it is A and it is A, it is V and it is B, now we can say easily A square plus minus 2AB plus B square. So now I can say easily root over 3 square root 3 plus I whole square. So I find out x square equal to square root 3 plus minus I whole square. Now I can say easily here is a square, so it is square. So now square root x square square root over 3 plus minus I whole square. So its root square root is cancelled. So now I can say x equal to plus minus root 3 plus minus I. This is the answer. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.